Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, I was recently asked a question, if pepper plants grow roots off of their main stem like a tomato plant does. So, I wanted to show you here. Now, when I did my pepper transplanting video, I buried the stem down further than what it originally was and put the soil around it so that the stem would grow roots out and you would have a nice big root system by the time your plant goes out into the garden. So I seen this on my pepper plants today, and this is actually the stem growing roots out. And I could have actually put this in a deeper container and buried it up even further than what I did. So I'll probably be adding more soil to this. And you can see the roots here. These are roots coming out and growing out. And I also seen this real quick. This is actually the roots already coming out of the bottom of this container. So this pepper plant here is already establishing its root system. And then this one over here, which is going to be getting more soil added to it, you can see all the roots growing out on this stem here. So what these are actually doing is the stem that's buried underneath, as you can see here, is growing the roots out into the soil, and it's going to have a really nice root system. And then what I do is when I transplant this out into the garden after they've been hardened off and they're used to being outside, I will actually, again, after I rough the root system up, bury this deeper. And what you get is you get a really nice healthy root system on your pepper plants. And you can do the same thing with your tomato plants too. So I just wanted to share this with you here real quick. And I see them, there's more of them actually growing back there that are doing the same thing. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that tells you I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter and get updates on how seedlings are doing and different plants are doing and what videos are coming up. Thank yous for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!